How to hard reset Huawei Mate XT. Step 1. To begin, press the power button to switch off your Huawei Mate XT Ultimate. Step 2. Then, hold down both the power and volume up buttons at the same time. Step 3. Once the Huawei logo appears, let go of only the power switch and keep holding the volume up button.